What is going on, my YouTube friends? Man, I'm gonna tell you something. It's been a last month or so has been kind of crazy, man, with the car shows and all the stuff that's going on at work and everything else. But I just wanted to reach out and tell you people that you are awesome. Yes, you are. And I'm gonna tell you, I got back here with the Mach 1, Papa Mach back here. Oh yeah, I had to come over and visit him. But really, I'm over here to cut my dad's grass. And I just wanted to make a video and just tell you people how much I appreciate you, because you all are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I tell them you're awesome. You guys have a great rest of your day, and I should have another video coming soon. Yeah, because I think we might be going to a different machine shop because I'm tired of waiting on this guy and his excuses. So that'll be coming up. What is going on, my YouTube friends? I hope everybody's having a great day, man. I'm telling you what, it's a beautiful day here in Michigan. Yes, it is. Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, guys, I come out here and I started working on the block, the Cleveland block for the Fairmont, and I'm just not happy with this block. But we're going to take it to the machine shop here. I'm not going to go to the one machine shop because I'm waiting too long for this guy. I don't feel like waiting any longer, so I'm going to take it to the other machine shop. So let them look at it, go through it, and check it out and see if it's okay. But there's a couple real bad spots in these cylinders that I'm not liking. So let me turn this around and show you what we got. It says, you know, I come up, I clean the gaskets and everything off of it, you know, just make it a little bit better for the machine shop and this and that. But I was looking, and this is what I found. See right there? Those three holes. They're pretty deep. They're pretty deep. So I'm kind of worried about them. So I don't know. I'll take it down there and let them take a look at it and see what they say. Yeah. So those three little holes right there is what's bothering me. So we're gonna check it out, get it checked out and see. I mean, it's gonna cost a couple $100 either way, right? So I really don't want to throw the block away. I may sleeve it, I may not. I don't know. We'll wait till we get to the machine shop and we'll talk to them. You know, it may get to the point where I might even scrap the whole Cleveland idea. I don't know. But when I seen those spots on there, man, I wasn't very happy with it, you know. Took all the main bearings out. I took all the bearings out and everything out the block today. And like I said, I cleaned around there. Got some of the gaskets and the oil pan gaskets off and stuff. So cleaned a little bit in the valley there. Yeah, this engine was a mess. So, but anyhow, let me turn this back around here. I'm busy this weekend. I'm busy for the rest of the week, this weekend. So hopefully the following weekend I can take this to the machine shop, drop it off. I called this other place and they said, hey, anytime you're ready, just bring it over and drop it off and we'll get it checked out for you. You know, it's gonna cost you a couple $100. I said, well, you know, gotta do what we gotta do. You know, I wanna try to save the block. He goes, bring it up here and we'll see what we can do. That's all we can do, right? I just want to let each and every one of you all know that you're awesome. I don't care what anybody says. You're awesome. And if they say that you're not awesome, you tell them come see me, and I tell them you're awesome. You have a great rest of your day. And hey, thank you all. Thank you all the new subscribers, old subscribers. You guys are the best. Yeah, buddy.